Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can add column right here in our Microsoft Word document here. You might get a project or you might get something to do and they ask you to put it into column, but you just don't know how to do that. All right, I'm going to guide you through it. All right, so you notice you're going to come right up here. Notice you see the tab. We're going to be looking at the page layout. Some of your version might have the layout only. All right, I'm going to click on it right here. So when I click on this layout, what you have usually show the ribbon. So if you notice, this is surface column. If I click, a column will appear, but I want to choose. So I click right here. You notice the option. You have one, you have two, you have three. You have it on the left and you have it on the right. So right here, I'm going to select two. And if you notice, right here, my two column, if I go back again and I select it three, this is exactly what happened. Right here. So very important. So this is the way you actually create column right in your Microsoft Word document. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.